Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to get buttons on Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Squarespace, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding buttons on Squarespace is a straightforward process that offers several advantages, especially when you're looking to improve your user experience and encourage specific actions on your website. Now, all you have to do is once you are logged into your account, go to your dashboard and click on the website that you are currently working on. In my case, that's going to be this. Wait for it to load, and then from here, for you to be able to add buttons, all you have to do is press the edit section here. You see this one, the option that says add block. All you have to do is click on that, and you see there's going to be an option for a button. Now the button, of course, you can have the option to edit. For example, you can put in a text. And put it here. You can simply attach a link if you wanted. I'm going to attach our Deep Laughs YouTube channel. All right. I'm going to copy the link of our channel and paste it on the Squarespace. And from here, click on the attach link. Click that. And that's just about it. All right. Now you have an option for the design if you wanted. You can put in the primary button. For example, you can edit the button styles. If you do that, you would be able to have the button styles on the right side corner, the editor. For example, you have with this all button packs. You have the one single button, this and that. So it's up to you what design would you like to have implemented to your Squarespace buttons. All right, maybe this one though looks very cool. Click this. You see that the button select style here is being implemented real time. You see, I'm going to search for a more interactive buttons so we can have we can be creative. You're not limited. You see that? So the buttons are changed from the book appointment and this section. If we revert back to this, if you're happy with that, all you have to do is go to the right side again. You have the primary button wherein you can change that. You can change the shape from this one. You see? It's being changed, right? So it's up to you. You can have a custom corner wherein like top left corner is going to be this size. This, so you are not limited with changing your buttons. You can add a fill, for example, this one. For the that's good, I believe. What about this one? Small ones for now. You have the option to apply all buttons types, but for the secondary button, we're going to change this for now. All right, and the tertiary could be something like, yeah, underline is okay. What about this one? The pedal. And you can also have the option to match with primary button. All right, but I'm not gonna do that. Hover down here. And then, of course, the side style, if you wanted, we're not going to do that for now. We're just focusing on the buttons. Now, on the button, you have the primary and secondary if you wanted. You see that? Because that is the button style that we have chosen earlier. But for now, I'm going to be choosing the primary. You can pin if you wanted. You can text wrap, pin to center on scroll. You have the pin to bottom on scroll if you wanted. So there's a lot of that you can work with. Matter of fact, you can move backward, and of course you can duplicate this specific button if you wanted. See that? You can drag and resize the buttons that you wanted, so you are not limited by just that. You can drag all this button right here. Once you're happy with that, all you have to do is click on save. Let me save it for now. Very quickly. Now, once you have saved that, hover again to the side styles, and there's going to be an option after the button where it says colors. You see, there's going to be a palette. Okay, so from here, you can choose the colors for your buttons. For example, I'm going to be choosing, I'm going to edit the palette. For example, I'm going to be choosing this, as this is going to be our logo, color file logo right here. So you have the option. You can have presets or from image or from a color. You can drop an image or click to browse. I'm going to do that right now. That is going to be our, you see, this is going to be our logo for Deep Laughs. From color, you'll have also the option to use monochrome, complementary, analogous 1, and analogous 2. All right, so they are not limited. Of course, by doing so, these buttons right here provides an intuitive way for users to navigate your site. They are visually distinct and easy to click on, making it easier for visitors to interact with their content and quickly access the information. Buttons like here help guide visitors toward key conversion points, such as making a purchase, signing up for a newsletter, or booking a service. Its strategically placed buttons increase the likelihood that users will complete the actions. The square buttons or Squarespace buttons are optimized for mobile responsiveness. If you click this, as you can see, buttons are easier to tap on mobile devices than text links, improving accessibility and user experience across different screen sizes. Buttons add visual interest to your page, breaking up large blocks or text. They provide a focal point that helps guide the user's attention to key actions, making your site more engaging. Because whenever a user sees buttons, they are naturally inclined to interact. Using action-oriented labels on your buttons encourages visitors to engage with their content, explore more pages, or complete the transaction. Once again, once you're happy with this, all you have to do is click on save, because Squarespace allows you to place buttons in various sections, on landing pages, headers, footers, product pages, or even inside blog posts. This flexibility lets you strategically direct users throughout your site based on their journey. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.